Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials and initiating pairing. Plug the controller via USB-C or put it into Bluetooth pairing mode by holding the pairing button. This creates a direct link to your PC. Once done, open your browser and sign into Xbox Cloud Gaming, then choose a game to prompt controller recognition. Make sure controller firmware is current because updated firmware reduces latency and compatibility issues. This is why we start here, not later, so the session connects cleanly. Once the controller is discoverable, pair it with Windows or plug it in. You'll see it listed under Bluetooth and devices or devices. You should test inputs in Windows game controllers or in a simple web game to verify buttons register. After that, return to the browser session, running Xbox Cloud Gaming and refresh if needed so the web client recognizes the device. If latency appears, try switching USB ports or repairing via Bluetooth. These actions often fix intermittent input or mapping errors. You finish by launching a game and validating every control: buttons, sticks, triggers, and vibration. If something fails, power cycle the controller and PC, then repair. A different USB cable or port often resolves recognition problems. Once done, make sure your network latency is low. Wireless controllers can amplify input delay if your connection is unstable. As a final tip, update controller firmware and your browser. Many connection quirks stem from outdated drivers or browser builds, so keep those current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.